So this year we've got our Liberté pots back in stock. They were such popular Christmas presents last year, but this year I've decided to go one step further, and I'm actually going to turn mine into proper little pot plants for gifts. So what I'm using is some succulents. Now I've had a pot of succulents outside all summer and they've really loved the hot weather, so they've gone a bit mad, so I've got a few spares. But if not, I know they do these succulents in nice little pots in most garden centres very cheaply. I'm also going to use for this job the Bergen & Ball cell tray tools, which are kind of perfect for this sort of work. And first of all, I've got to get in here and just actually get right under it, and then try and lift this off with a little bit of soil and root on it as well. Now that was pretty perfect. So next I'm going to move over and I'm going to put some gritty soil here, which I'm just going to pack in around the root. And these little mini trowels are perfect for this sort of job. Here we go, all round, so it's nice and firm there. I'm doing this a little bit ahead of time because I want really these plants to establish and look very happy in their pots by Christmas time. So I'm actually thinking ahead a little bit this year, but really succulents are so adaptable, you'd only need a week or two ahead. And the great thing about the Liberté pots is they're designed to hold plants because they've got a nice little drainage hole in the bottom. So you can, without any danger of it sitting in wet water, you can actually give this a little water to settle it in quite nicely. I know that it's going to drain through, like that. And then I probably will just tie a little ribbon around it to make it look a little bit prettier. And I'm going to keep these somewhere nice and sunny to really get established. And there we are. I've got some nice Christmas gifts.